It's so much easier if you just take all the meat off this side first, and then you've taken half the weight off the animals so that you can move them around a little bit. And with this one, we're not going to keep the cape because I'm just going to do a European mount. We'll bust the head off, and then when we get the head off, it allows us to flip them over a little bit easier too, because if you got the head on, it's just a pain in the butt to try to flip them. So we'll get all that done. The other thing too, a lot of guys bring out their saws and start sawing off legs. You don't need to do that. You can do all of that with the knife. So whether it's a a little Gerber like this or another bigger knife, you can do that without a saw.
We'll be showing you that here next. So I've skinned down the leg here, and I'm just going to skin it all the way down to the kneecap right here. You can see where the hooves are, and this is legally where you take it off, right here at the kneecap for the front shoulder. And you can see right now Kyle's actually doing the hind hock area,